Okay, so you have to make sure, you have to understand where to put these holes for the seals, for instance, because you have it here, but you want it to hang like this. But thinking about gravity, right? When you hang it like this, look what happens. It doesn't hang this way. It starts to hang this way. So when you make the little objects that are going to be on your wind chime, you really have to think about where should I put that hole so that the center of gravity, works in my favor, where it should be. Something that you can do to help rectify this or remedy this is you're going to need to make now another small hole in here so that we can go through this hole, through that hole, and then maybe we can stitch it up like this. Okay, so in this instance, we're going to have to make another hole right there so that we can go through both holes to stabilize this little dangling seal inside the mouth of this shark, because this is what happens.